Prior to starting that video, we were actually really unsure about how we were even going to capture the content, how we were going to show it to the employees, how we were going to be able to even keep people engaged.
We've been working closely with the safety team and the site management teams and discussing subject matter for DPAL. We've been looking at, the prioritization of that subject matter, what's going to be the biggest bang right now.
And primarily started looking with safety videos, since that was the use case that I think the executive team was most excited in and exploring.
So we've been looking at Lockout, Tagout for the most part for our facilities, which is a big safety issue.
All the representatives that we've interacted with the company have been super responsive and super helpful. If they don't have an answer, they know someone who might, and reach out and are very proactive in getting feedback to us.
So I've been really excited in seeing those. I've been viewing the scripts and I've been viewing the videos.
We have a dedicated team that works full-time creating content for us and starting to capture a lot of the tribal knowledge, as we call it.
Once we got that first video together, we were able to see the whole lockout, tagout procedure like in a video. We really saw the benefits of this project.
The perspective of a long-term employee to include the perspective of a new employee working. We can bridge that knowledge gap and capture that. And it provides an invaluable lesson that we always get from our mentors.
And it's taking a little bit off of the shoulders of the tenured group, because now they don't have to do so much one-on-one hands-on training. A lot of the times we have videos or content that we can refer back to.
The feedback that I do get from the site safety managers have been positive. And then we have been approached by DPAL, the internal team, to help implement these videos. And so we're rolling through that process to increase that viewership.
Use the translation services to make available to employees that we have from all different backgrounds who speak all different languages.
One of the things that an employee has brought up personally has been the search feature. When they're doing a lockout procedure or when they're following one of our standard operating procedures, if they do have a small question about it, because some of them do get pretty big and they're hard to memorize, they have a video that they can go refer back to, that they don't have to watch the full video for, that they could just search a keyword and find the step they need and get the job done.
Like I said, the one videographer, one video editor, and a coordinator at the facility where we started using DPAL.
One of the biggest benefits that I have seen is how people see us spending that time, putting in that effort to make sure that the policies and procedures are correct, and we're spending that time to capture those policies and procedures on video.
I just heard a story about someone who we have in the videos, who's regularly in the videos, and they were out on the actual manufacturing floor and a new employee walked by and said, "Hey, you're the video guy."
But that's evolved to them really looking at us filming the videos and genuinely asking, what's this video about? Genuinely caring about what the procedure is about and wanting to learn about it.
That way they feel a certain level of responsibility and pride in the video content.
In many ways, DPAL has impacted our safety program, but I think helping shift that safety culture back to being safety is the #1 priority to everybody. I think that's really helped in painting that picture to the employees.